I know you really struggled and opened a money market fund account. You are getting some interest from it, from the money that you have deposited in that fund. But today, I come with some controversial news for you about that money market fund account that you have. But we have to talk about it. Hi everyone, welcome to Finance Focus with Andrew, a platform where we engage in conversation that endeavor to enhance our financial literacy. The kind of conversation I want us to have in this video is about that money market fund you hold. And I'm sure you have ever seen debates elsewhere trying to debate whether a money market fund is an investment or not. And I want you to tell you the bitter truth. A money market fund is not an investment. I don't mean that you have not tried. You have done well. You have tried. You have made a step. You have a money market fund account. But is that the end? Definitely no. In fact, that is just a beginning. Many people advocate for money market funds, me included, but now that you have a money market fund, don't feel like you have reached the end of the investment journey. As a matter of fact, you have just started. So, what good does the money market fund do to you? Number one, it is a parking account for your emergency fund. It is better than a bank account. It is a place where you can be able to keep your money, earn some interest, and still have access to that money. It is an account where you can park your money as you await to do other investment project. But don't let having a money market fund account make you think that you have come to the end of an investment journey. Now that you have a money market fund, what next? This is my opinion. Once you have managed to open a money market fund account, you have placed your emergency fund in there. That is preferably 3 to 6 months of your monthly expenses. That is, if you spend 20,000 in a month paying for your necessities, have at least 120,000 in a money market fund account. Don't keep pumping more and more money into that money market fund account. Think beyond that money market fund account. Don't let that money market fund account limit your thinking. These are some of the ideas that can help you think beyond that money market fund account. Yes, your emergency fund is in place. Go think about higher accounts that can offer you better interest rate with the money that is above the emergency fund that you need to hold in a money market fund. And some of the options that you can consider is, number one, is high risk, high interest unit trust. There are other brothers and sisters of the money market fund. Yes, they bear high risk, but they give relatively higher interest rate than money market fund. Some of these include the special funds, the balanced fund, the equity fund, and we have discussed all of these in this channel. You can also consider treasury bonds. These are government papers where you loan the government some money for some time and get a better interest than that which is given by the money market fund. So once you have a money market fund in place, think of how you can take your 50,000 and start running and venturing into the government bonds. And bills are paying the same rate as a money market fund. So you can think long term about the government bonds. You can also think about stocks. So stocks is another riskier venture than money market fund, but it's likely to give you a higher return than money market fund. So once your money market fund is in place with your emergency fund, go beyond and start learning and thinking about stocks. Yes, you can also go about thinking about venturing in business. You already have an emergency fund in place, so you are free to go and try more and more things. So it is good that you have a money market fund. It is a good step that you have made, But don't think that that is the end. The truth is, that is just a beginning. And we have discussed all those other options that I have mentioned in this channel. So what you need is just an internet connection and search all of them in this channel. Get to learn each of them so that you can have a lot of options once you feel that you have already made it with your money market fund account. Otherwise, we will keep interacting and engaging in conversation that enhance our financial literacy day by day. Thank you.